tripping, stumble all over your words. You don't remember half the things you say. Just the other night we talked, and you forgot that it was my birthday. But I don't care what they do or say, but you believe that that's okay. You barely hear the words that I speak, but I'll still be there when you are weak. I love you no matter what. You were the only worthy one. Most of the time I'm missing you. I wish that I could explain the truth, but you wouldn't remember. I hate to hear you suffer. All your smiles, absent your smirks. You made me laugh until I hurt. All of those memories are replayed in my dreams. Now all of that is taken away. You kept in my heart forever to stay. I wish I could hold you in my arms and tell you how much I've been missing you since I've been gone. What's done is done, and it's done for the best. Just know that I love you, and God will confess. What's done is done, and it's done for the best. Just know that I love you, and one day God will confess.